Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Biology for All. In this video, I'm going to talk about the types of circulation in the human body. So let me first draw here a representation of the human circulation. The central square represents the heart with the lungs on top and the body parts below. In the heart, you can see the left and the right side. So the blood moves from the right ventricle to the lungs and it returns back to the left auricle. So here the blood moves from the heart to the lungs and back to the heart. This circulation is called as the pulmonary circulation or pulmonary circuit. So this involves the blood moving from the heart, that is from the right side of the heart, through the pulmonary artery to the lungs and then through the pulmonary veins to the left side of the heart. Next is the systemic circulation, which involves the blood moving from the left side of the heart to the body parts and then it returns back to the right side of the heart. So the blood from the left ventricle is then pumped through the aorta to reach all the body parts. This oxygenated blood, which reaches to all the body parts, then moves through the vena cava to reach back the heart. So the blood that is moving from the body parts and reaches to the right side is the deoxygenated blood. So here we can see that to complete one circulation, the blood flows through the heart twice. This is called as double circulation. Another type of circulation that is there in our body is the portal circulation. Now, as we have seen, normally a blood vessel carries blood from the heart to an organ and then it goes back to the heart. So it carries oxygenated blood to an organ and then it carries the deoxygenated blood back to the heart. However, in certain cases, there are blood vessels which begin with capillaries and end with capillaries. Such a blood vessel is what we call as a portal vein. So here, the capillaries begin from one organ and it ends in another organ. So from organ 1, it does not go to the heart, but it goes to another organ and then goes to the heart. So this entire system, which includes the organ and the portal vein, is called as a portal system. In our body, we have two portal systems. The hepatic portal system includes the blood moving from the gut, that is from the stomach and intestines, to the liver before going to the heart. So this vessel is called as a hepatic portal vein. The other one is the hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system. This includes the blood moving from the hypothalamus to the anterior pituitary. So these are the two portal systems in the human body. Another type of circulation in our body is the coronary circulation. Coronary circulation includes the blood moving from the heart to the muscles of the heart and then back to the heart. So here we have blood vessels that supply blood from the aorta to the heart muscles and return back to the right auricle. So these are the three types of circulation that is seen in our body.